Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Come have a seat while I tell you how I made this beautiful mini twist with synthetic kinky. Let's get right into the video. So guys, I'm going to be using expression kinky in color 2. So I'm removing those band or ribbon they put on them. I'm done with that, so I'm going to be dipping inside hot water. So I'd like to correct something here. I will say pour your hot water in a bowl, then dip the extension inside, but as you are dipping, make sure you are raising it up so that it's going to be straight and not soak up. Don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So a better way to do it is to pour your water in a bowl, then dip the extension inside and be raising it up. I'm soon going to be doing it because I noticed that this one that I'm pouring, the upper part gets stretched while the down part doesn't. So a better way to do it is to dip it inside hot water. You can see that I'm making sure that those tips get the hot water, except you don't want the tips to be stretched. You can do that as well, but I want the tips to be stretched. So for the kinky to have some moisture on it, I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner. That is what I'm doing right now. Then I'll go ahead to divide the kinky into 2 equal parts. So I'll be starting as knotless braid, and along the line I'm going to be telling you what I did to the tips of this mini twist with synthetic hair that got me coily tips. You can see in the first video, in the clip you saw at the beginning of the video, the tutorial, that the tips weren't like the regular synthetic tips. So I will be telling you what I did differently. So watch the video till the end. I'll be showing you to not only telling you. So I've started as knotless, then I'm twisting. I said I'm going to show you what I did to the tips, how I did it, and how I got that result you saw. when I dipped the hair inside hot water, remember I divided the hair into 2 equal parts, in which one side is those tips and this other side is the middle that is cut into 2. You can remember that the middle is more stretched than the tips. So the tips of the hair now that came with the hair, I'm going to make that part longer than the other side, which is kind of blunt. So now that I'm braiding, when I braid to the tips, let me give you the story so that when you get there you understand more. We are using this particular hair to do that tutorial. So I'll divide that part I made longer into 2. I'm intentionally making one part, which is the tips, longer than the rest. So I'll divide that tip into 2 and twist it. It will be tinier, then it will be coilier than the rest, because that tip naturally is coilier, or the water didn't really touch those sides to make it stretchy as the middle part. So I'll twist that ending part tinier than the rest and is a bit coilier than the rest, which will give me the tips same as you will get from a good quality human hair bob kinky. And that is the finished look you are seeing right there. Tell me, can you tell this is synthetic kinky I used in making this hair? Please, I need my flowers. So guys, give me my flowers by liking this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video. Then I'm just showing you guys different styles you can pack your mini twist. And thank you for watching to this point. See you guys in the next video. Bye.